If you want to set up Face Unlock on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then first of all we need to open Settings, scroll down on the left side in order to find the lock screen option, and then you want to choose Screen Lock in Biometrics. Enter your current screen lock password and then press Continue. Over here in Biometrics you should be able to find face recognition. Of course, in order to be able to set up the face recognition, you need to have a screen lock password, so if you don't have one, make sure to set it up. So we're gonna go to face recognition. Now we can tap on Continue, and then once again, and now you should be able to open the front camera, and you need to put your face within the frame and scan your face. And once you set up the face recognition, then you should be able to see face recognition settings, so you can check them out if needed. And that is pretty much it. By the way, it is recommended to actually scan your face holding your tablet like this, so just keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.